Yeah, go ahead.
Better get ready.
This is the Bee Adventures.
Fells Fork, Kentucky.
Felds Fork.
Smoke all around them too.
I'm going to. That's a pretty big swarm though.
That's about a 2-gallon swarm right there.
But when you drop them, bub, they're going to get mad. No matter how
Yeah, I know it, so you might want to stand back just a little bit.
We are. But you don't want to kill them.
I'm going to trim just a little bit around them. See, there's one already dropped in there, so.
Oh, they come around that sugar water. All right. Back the fuck up.
I don't know where to go to.
Back straight up.
Ripper, get over here.
I'm about to get
You
eat
better
up.
ready to run since you better get out of there. Because when he drops that, you better not drop that hard load. Bub, if you can cut it and hold it and set them down easy. Want that bee veil? If you get stung, you can't take off running. That's Alger Combs.
Ooh, it's tense.
I'm going to smoke them again.
Well, you need that bait veil
Because
on.
half of them failed.
You gotta get them all in a.
I know, half of them failed.
No, if you get stung, it's your fault.
You can see them in the box.
He's got to drop. He's got to get that. See, the queen is in the center of that clump.
Yeah, but I can't get it to zoom anymore.
Now drop it. You don't smoke them too much, bub. You'll kill them. Who the fuck is that?
Is that Teresa?
Is that?
That is Teresa. Ain't it? No, I don't know who that is. You still filming?
That's what Nelson bought. That
Okay.
Corb said Nelson's gonna be. We're gonna be excited about.
All right, ready?
He bought a Pioneer. Teresa's supposed to be here though. I see. You get the fuck out of there. You're going to have to shake them in the box, bub. And you need that bee veil. You'll get stung. Now run. Get the fuck out. You better run.
Back up, Crystal. Back up. Back up.
Hold on, I'm filming. It's dedication right here.
All right, let me see the phone. I'll get close to it.
Logan.
Don't mess it up. We got good feet.
I'm not. Don't mess it up.
No, they didn't even come after.
That was what they were perched on. Now there's still a few clumped
Look
up on
at that.
it. You see a queen on there anywhere?
Let's see if I can see the
Right,
queen.
right here. Right here.
On the queen?
You see the queen anywhere?
No. No.
Okay. The
She's
queen,
not on
the
there.
queen is in the box then.
Well, we can't cap it yet.
No.
They're
It
all
don't.
right there.
I'm just gonna lay that right there. That went perfect. That went perfect.
Yeah, it did. That was perfect. Better than I did by myself.
Well, there they are.
They're going in. They're going in.
Yeah, they are. Let's check that out.
They're going in the box.
All right, it's in my hair.
Look, they're going.
Uh,
Just walk away. Don't smash him.
It's gone. It's gone.
They're
Yeah.
going in. Look, they're going in.
Oh,
That was the easiest
yeah, they're going.
thing I ever seen.
That was
Oh,
the
well.
easiest one we've ever done right there. The rest of them
That's
was like
honey.
10 foot up the tree or.
Honey.
All right, that is our third swarm of this year.